In this video, we will talk about the overall features VMS has to offer. From your dashboard, you will be able to see the sales revenue, the number of transactions for the time period searched, and the number of products sold for those transactions. You can also see the number of machines that are online, offline, how many have errors, and the number of machines that are locked. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the top 10 ranking of machines and products in your account. If you would like to see more information on the sales overview details, simply click one of the numbers in that section. This will bring you to a page where you can see more detailed information on that metric. From the product statistics page, you can see a distribution of products sold, and from the machine sales page, you can see detailed trend data for the machines in your account. Navigate to the next important page by clicking Merchant Authority, then Machines. This will bring you to a page that will display all the machines in your account. At the top, you are able to filter your search by machine details. Once you find the machine you are looking for, click Details to the right to view machine's details. On this page, you will see basic machine information, records of its uptime history, and the machine's current planogram. This machine has 18 products currently on sale. This means that the machine will only detect the 18 products in the list. If you would like to add products to the on-sale list, simply type the product name at the top, search for the product you want. Then click the green Put on Shelf button to the right. You also have the option to update product prices from this page. Navigating to the Products page, you can globally modify a product price. Click Sync Price once you've entered the new price. Then multi-select the machines you would like to apply that new price to. From the planogram page under Products, you can save planograms which you can deploy to multiple machines simultaneously. To create a new planogram template, click New at the top. Then add the product you want in the new planogram. To attach a planogram template to a machine, click Deploy to the right. Next, you will multi-select the machines you wish to deploy the template to. To view transactions on your account, click Order, then Orders. Click the View button to the right to see more information about this transaction. At the top, you will see a repeat of the information from the previous page. If you scroll down, you will see information on the products that were purchased. Lastly, there's the sales report. To get to the report section, click Report Management, then Sales Report. Here you can filter the data for a specific time frame. At the top, you will see a trading statistics table. Order count is the number of transactions during that time. Current sales is the total sales for those transactions, and actual sales is the amount of money sent to the payment gateway. The difference amount shows the comparison between current and actual sales. The Order Sales Report exports the data you see in the table below and highlights the transactions that make up the difference amount. The Product Sales Report exports data on the product quantity and total amount for each transaction. And the Order Details Report exports data that includes all the products purchased for each transaction. If you would like more information on our system, please feel free to view the VMS documentation sent to you by your representative. Thank you.